How to find events you went on Facebook on PC. Open any browser of your choice. Make sure to open the Facebook by clicking on the search bar and searching for facebook.com. Once you do that, Facebook will be opened. Make sure you're logged in to your account. In order to find the events that you went, what you have to do is click on this icon. Now the Facebook menu will be opened. You'll be able to find this option for events. What you have to do is simply click on it. After you do that, you'll be led to the events interface. Right over here, you can find the option for your events. Click on it. You'll be able to find the options like going, invites, interested, hosting, and past events. Click on the option past events that you can see on the screen. Once you do that, you'll be able to see all of your past events over here. That means you can see the events that you went on. Like this, you can find events you went to on Facebook on PC. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.